Recent studies have shown that being obese can pose a serious threat to our health. Obesity may cause diabetes, heart disease, various types of cancer, and other serious health problems. To prevent these illnesses from harming us, it is vital that we control our weight. Exercise, without a doubt, is a good way to keep in shape. Calculating our BMI is also helpful in roughly determining whether we are maintaining our ideal weight or not. However, no matter what method we apply, we should first and foremost watch our diet. Our diet matters because what we eat has a lot to do with our weight and can directly affect our health. Thus, we should do our best to keep off any foods that are potentially damaging to our health. Many of us absorb excessive amounts of fat, sugar, and salt, risking our health unknowingly. Therefore, the Food Standards Agency in the UK has come up with an idea called traffic light labeling. This labeling system alerts us to risky nutrients by using something people are familiar with: the lights at the intersection that tell both drivers and pedestrians when to stop or when to go. Traffic light labeling is easy to understand. Green, amber, and red respectively represent low, medium, and high amounts of fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt in one serving. The more green lights we see on a pack of food, the healthier that food is. Red lights warn consumers that the food product should only be eaten on occasion or in small quantities. The middle of the two extremes is amber. Amber lights mean that the unhealthy nutrient content of the food is neither too high nor too low, which is something consumers should be aware of as well. Overall, these labels serve as guides for people lest they devour the foods that may one day cost them their health. Several aspects of this system have caused it to become successful. One is that consumers can know at a single glance if the food products they are buying might increase their risk of developing obesity-related disease, because the symbols this system uses are instantly recognizable, even to children. Furthermore, this system can be universally applied without worries about language barriers. Currently, aside from the UK, many other European countries have introduced this system. Nevertheless, there is opposition to this system. People in the food industry complain that this way of labeling food is too simplistic. To them, giving accurate figures to indicate nutrition facts is preferable. Faced with this argument, advocates of the traffic light labeling system counter it by saying that being simple is the core of this approach. People sometimes tend to skip nutrition facts, for they require time to interpret and don't lend themselves to quick comparisons. This system makes finding information about food effortless, lest consumers ignore what they need to know. Although not everyone supports traffic light labeling, this system certainly gives us food for thought. Above all, we should make better food choices, and healthy products should be encouraged. There are times when we don't know whether the food products we purchase might ruin our health. With traffic light labels printed on the package of food products, we can pause for a short while, consider what to choose, and then decide which items we should put into our shopping cart. After all, we are what we eat.